kids, and who are they excited about? You or the First Lady?
Definitely the First Lady.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone.
Supposed to be like 8 cups of water a day.
That's right.
Now, how much water do you drink a day?
I drink a lot of water every day.
Is this you at the school you were talking about in Washington, you and the First Lady? Is that what we're looking at here?
Yes, yes. I had to dance because the school, I had been with the kids the week before and they taught me the Lindy Hop. And so then when they found out...
Who was it thinking?
I would say Charles Lindbergh.
Oh, I bet you're right, of course.
Wow.
Lucky Lindy.
Of course.
I think because, I mean, one of the things that helped him cross the Atlantic solo was
the dance
in the cockpit.
Yeah. Yeah.